Hi, my name is Srija. I am from Kamareddy, currently staying in Kupperpalli. I have completed my masters in Avanti PG College, MCA in the year 2024. I joined in Qspiders in the year 2024 April and done the skills like manual testing, code Java, automation testing, and Oracle SQL. SQL is taught by Afro sir, and manual testing is by Kishore sir, and automation testing is by Nandini ma'am, and Java is from Prem sir. I learned the technical skills and have attended grooming sessions for automation, manual, and SQL also. Have attended mock interviews for Java, manual testing, and automation testing, which helped me more to improve my communication skills and my confidence level. Later, I have attended many companies